Hello, welcome to Trade of the Week for the week starting Monday, the 19th of December. This will be the final trade of the week for the year, so let's hope we get it right on this one. Last week, we were looking for shorts in the S&P 500. That means a turn in the market that had been moving towards the upside for almost 3 months. Well, actually, it's worked out very well on that front. We certainly saw plenty of volatility, that inflation reading over in the US giving us a pop on Tuesday. But we didn't hit the stop loss, thankfully. We got close to it, but didn't hit it. And we've seen sharp losses at the back end of last week. Now, of course, we could see a move higher over the coming period to provide a retracement before we head lower once again. But I personally think the top's in for this market, and I think we're likely to see further downside. So thankfully, that one's playing out, and we are in profit on that trade. In terms of sterling yen, which is another one we had open, we have been hearing some hints that we could see the Bank of Japan decide to start planning for them to raise rates in response to the rise in interest rate or in inflation over in Japan. Whether that's going to come to fruition or not remains to be seen, but Bank of Japan policy decision is one of the mainstays of this week, so certainly something to keep an eye out for, but we're going to keep that one open. And then moving into the coming week, I wanted to look something that was separate from those two trades that I've already got open. And one thing that I think is interesting is the New Zealand dollar against the euro. Of course, the euro over the past week saw plenty of strength, looking like the most hawkish of the lot, really. And what we have seen here is price action moving into what looks like a retracement and rolling over the past week. You can see stochastics turning over from the overbought territory. And then on the shorter time frame, we can see the 4-hour chart gives us a view where essentially the trend that has been playing out here appears to be over, and we're rolling over once again here. So the breakdown through support that we had here at around about 0.6 gives us the view that this market is now about to roll over. So happy to be short of this market. Place my stop loss up at the prior high, we'll say 61.20, and towards the downside, hopefully we'll get another move lower as we see this market reverse the gains that we've been seeing over recent months.